Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in. Thank you for checking out my videos. Thanks for all the positive support. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a view on, my swing away hitch. This is the part that I'm most proud of on my build. Believe it or not, I like working with wood, but I haven't worked with wood very much before this build. Working with metal is more my thing. So I cut down the receiver and the sleeve on my swing away hitch and on my luggage carrier. I cut it down. I had to re-drill the hole on it because I didn't want it sticking so far outside of the rear of my van, because I see some of these things extended out like 2 feet. I mean, they stick out quite a ways. So I wanted it to be tighter up against the back end of my Sienna. I wanted it to be all close so it looks nice and organized and detailed. So you're going to have to bear with me. I am a little bit camera shy. I know I got to get over that if I'm going to be shooting these videos. But I'll give you guys kind of a closer view. So this is what I look like, but when I close it, you can see it just misses this toolbox a little bit. And I'll leave it right there. Hopefully it stays in place, and I'll give you guys a better view of it. You can see it just clears by about a ½ inch. Clears absolutely perfect. So I'm really happy with that. Now let me place this so you guys can see again. Alright. So I'll close this. And then I'm going to close this part too. So all I do is I fold this up. Hook up my bungee cord on the bottom here so it's not swinging all over the place. Pull this in, this pin. Swing this in. Now I went over on another video on how to lock it into place. There's just a simple pull pin and everything to lock it in place. Now what's awesome about this is that a lot of these, they sit so close you can't open the swing or the hitch with this attached. Now if you take a look here, I'll aim it right from this side so you guys might be able to, you guys won't be able to see. So I'll aim it like this so you guys can actually look. Now if you look, it looks like it wants to hit. Uh-oh. You might hit on there, right? Nope, you actually missed by about a ½ inch. That's because I measured this all out, which having a ruler is a very important thing to have when you're measuring anything. So yeah, that's basically it. And I was really proud of that I could open this with all of this on. I got the height of the toolbox just right, so it just misses the tailgate. So it all opens. That's why I haven't went higher with the toolbox or whatever, because I don't want my rear tailgate to hit on it. Which is really cool to have that, if you need to open it real quick or something like that, you don't have to completely swing away the hitch in order to open your back tailgate. So, yeah, well, thank you guys for watching.